Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 6.4 triangle and its properties. Question number 4 is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD? Answer is yes. Dear students, here a quadrilateral is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral. It has four sides and AC and BD is diagonals, and we need to prove that sum of all sides of this quadrilateral is greater than the sum of its diagonals. Now we solve it. Answer is yes. Here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, these all are sides of this quadrilateral, is greater than AC plus BD. It is a question. Now we prove it. At first we see the triangle ABC. Dear students, as we know, in any triangle, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So we can write AB plus BC is greater than AC in this triangle, and we take it as an equation first, and write the reason. Sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side due to AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now we see other triangle that is formed by drawing these two lines, that is diagonals of this quadrilateral. Now we take triangle BCD. In this triangle, sum of BC and CD is greater than BD. So we write here CD plus DA is greater than AC in triangle ADC using same reason. Again we see triangle ABD. In this triangle AB plus DA is greater than BD, and in triangle BCD BC plus CD is greater than BD. In this way there are four equations be formed. Now adding these four equation first, second, third and fourth, then we get AB plus BC, it comes from equation first, plus CD plus DA from equation second, plus AB plus DA from equation third, plus BC plus CD from equation fourth is greater than AC plus BD plus BD. These all four sides come from equation first, second, third and fourth. RHS of first equation is AC. Again in second equation AC, third equation has BD, and fourth equation has also BD. So we arrange these four equations in addition form. Now we see that AB comes two times, so we categorize same sides first. So we write AB plus AB. Again we see BC are also two times, so we write BC plus BC. Like this, CD plus CD plus DA plus DA all are greater than AC plus AC, that is 2AC, plus BD plus BD is equal to 2BD, so 2AC plus 2BD. Now we see that there are 2 times AB, so we write 2AB, 2BC, BC are also 2 times, 2CD plus 2DA is greater than 2AC plus 2BD. Now we take 2 as common, so we write 2 into AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, also 2 here take as common, so we write 2 into AC plus BD. Now 2 and 2 both are cancelled, hence AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now we write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, these all are four sides of this quadrilateral, is greater than diagonals of this quadrilateral AC plus BD. that is needed to be proved. Hence, we can say equation is true and answer of this question is yes. Question number 6 is the lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side be fall? Dear students, here we need to write the length of the third side of a triangle whose two sides are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Let third side be x centimeter. As we know earlier, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So we write 12 plus 15. These are two sides are given. So sum of these two is greater than third, that is 27 is greater than x, or x is smaller than 27. Other situation, x that is one side plus other side is 12. X plus 12 will be greater than 15 third side, or simply after simplification we find x is greater than 3. And another situation, also we write x plus 15 is greater than third side 12, and in this situation it becomes minus 3, x is greater than minus 3, but as we know the length cannot be negative, so we reject it. Now two situations to be considered. Thus the length of the third side will be smaller than 27 but greater than 3, and we can write the numbers between 3 and 27 satisfy this, and finally we can say the length of third side could be any length between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. In this way this exercise is completed. In next video we will discuss next question. Thank you.